is Zach with RollSeal Doors. Just want to do a quick video for you as we do more and more of these retrofit projects, and we come in and we replace a more conventional rigid door with a RollSeal door. There's some certain things you need to look at when you prep the site, when you make sure it's a good application for it. So just kind of want to show you some of the things that we see on most sites. Obviously everything's different, right? Every back room is different. We've got great cut sheets out on our website. It shows our full footprint of every door model we have. Download them, take a look at them, call us, we'll walk you through the process. But just to kind of give you a couple of quick things to look for. Normally we do see that we have to knock a curb back just a little bit. Obviously we face mount to the opening. So you can see at this site we've cut the curbs back. Additionally, 9 times out of 10 we see that we have to move a light switch or a thermostat, something like that that's right next to the opening. Again, we're going to face mount on this box, so those things will be shifted over. You can also see on this side that we have relocated the pressure relief vent that's above the door opening in the center. So again, those are just kind of some of the things that we normally see. Every site's different, right? This is just kind of a good rule of thumb. We normally see this stuff, so just wanted to walk you through it right fast. Give us a call. We'd love to help. Thank you.